Hello Internet, my name is Josh.
I'm Chris.
And this is the MacWorks Weekly, episode 12. It's been a couple weeks, we took some time off for the holiday, but we have a lot of information to share with you today, so we're going to get rolling with Java 7. Java 7 is a product, Java 7? Java the Hutt.
Java the Hutt.
Java the Hutt is produced by Oracle. Java 7 is a program written by Oracle that allows developers to write software for various platforms. We are now aware that the Department of Homeland Security has said that it's unsecure. Ultimately, it is Java 7 version 1.7.0_10-B18 and prior have a zero-day exploit that could allow someone to pretty maliciously hack your computer. And so Apple and even Mozilla, who produce Firefox, have updated their software in the background, banning it from use on your computer.
Whoa.
It's not something to be messed with. They are saying that it's a pretty serious hole that people can use to exploit and take control of your machine, gain access to your data, all sorts of weird stuff. Let's just hope Oracle puts out an update very quickly.
Please.
Right. Hackulous is not that well known of a name, but their app on jailbroken devices is very well known. Hackulous used to produce an app called Installous. Installous allowed people to actually install pirated versions of App Store software on their devices.
We've talked about that before.
We have talked about that. Hackulous claims that there has been stagnant activity in their community, which is, in my opinion, completely untrue. The jailbreak market with pirated apps is huge, always has been, and probably would have always been huge. Lots of teenage kids who really don't care, don't know any better, what have you, install pirated software on their phones all the time.
Yeah.
So there's been a lot of speculation as to whether or not it was really a stagnant activity that caused them to shut it down, or if they just didn't want to take the flak for it.
Maybe they want it out.
Right. So either way, there is no way to use Installous anymore on the iPhone, which is great. One of the things that we wanted to address this week was a possibility of Apple purchasing Waze. It's a point of interest software that is available on the iPhone, but the latest update is that Waze isn't interested in being purchased. So everybody's spreading rumors that Apple is going to buy this software to improve their mapping software. Sorry.
Yeah.
It's not true.
Rough go.
Waze is not being purchased by Apple anytime soon.
Yeah. Just use Google.
This week, Amazon launched a new program that they're calling AutoRip. It will automatically put MP3s of CDs you've purchased into your Amazon Cloud player. Mind you, this only works with CDs that qualify.
Okay. Does it work in iTunes, though?
Those MP3s can be moved from the Cloud player to iTunes. Yeah. So if you've bought a CD from Amazon since 1998 to the present,
and it
qualifies, yes. So we think that's pretty cool. The last bit of news we have for you is about Android. What? Android on an Apple?
What?
No, we're actually talking about Android because I have to say a little bit of I told you so. Android has moved their SDK to a completely proprietary format. The license agreement now says that you may not use the software for any purpose other than what Google intended.
Go figure.
So, all of the Android fanboys out there that have said that Google is open, it's not anymore. Sorry.
Ultimately, he's going to say ultimately.
People are still selling phones with Android version 2, and we're on version 4.1. So Google is really looking to try and streamline their software so that everybody gets a good experience. I don't blame them, but it's still not open. There are a lot of proponents to open software that criticize it no matter what, even though it could create a better experience for the end user. That's all the news we have for you today. Thanks for watching. My name is Josh.
And I'm still Chris.
He is Chris indeed. We'll be back soon.